Topic: The importance of hard work. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly motivational and meaningful topic: the importance of hard work. Hard work is the foundation of success. No great achievement in history has been accomplished without dedication, effort, and persistence. Talent may provide opportunities, but hard work transforms dreams into reality. A person who works sincerely and consistently can overcome even the most difficult challenges in life. In today's competitive world, hard work has become more important than ever before. Every field, whether education, business, sports, or science, demands discipline and determination. Successful people are often admired for their achievements, but behind every achievement lies years of struggle and continuous effort. One of the greatest advantages of hard work is self-improvement. Hard-working individuals constantly learn new skills and improve their abilities. This creates a more capable, and confident personality. Hard work also teaches patience, discipline, and responsibility, which are essential qualities for personal growth. Moreover, hard work increases the chances of success, while luck may help occasionally. Consistent effort produces long-term results. A student who studies regularly performs better than someone who depends only on intelligence. Similarly, athletes and professionals achieve excellence through continuous practice and dedication. Hard work also strengthens mental resilience. Life is full of failures, disappointments, and obstacles. A hard-working person develops the courage to continue even during difficult situations. This creates a highly resilient mindset that helps individuals face challenges with confidence. However, many people today are attracted toward shortcuts and instant success. Social media often creates the illusion that success can be achieved quickly, without effort. This creates unrealistic expectations and weakens patience among young people. It builds confidence, discipline, and resilience, while talent and opportunities are important. They cannot replace dedication and effort. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends for giving me this valuable opportunity to share my thoughts. Your patience, encouragement, and attentive listening truly inspire me. I sincerely hope that my words were meaningful and motivating. Thank you very much for your precious time and kind attention. I wish all of you great success, happiness, and a bright future filled with achievement and positivity.